Hello, my friends. Your coach, Mr. Magnifico, is back in Gravity 2 Studio. Today we are looking at Module 4, Lesson 18. And again, we're going to relate decimal and fraction multiplication. Let's translate into the actual mathematics of it. So what we need to do is solve this multiplication. And as you can see, these are decimals. So I'm going to show a couple of ways to do this. One way that we are doing this is we're going to convert this one into tenths. So uh, just so you know, for those of some of you guys who are still new to this kind of system, you're going to break that down into parts, right? So we know that to have a whole, you have 10 tenths. But in this case, we have 3 wholes. So that will be 3 times 10 equals 30. Plus the number, which is 3 tenths. And we're going to multiply this times a tenth, which is a tenth. So that's one way we do this. If you are combine these two, it's going to be 33 tenths times 8 tenths. So now, Eureka module, the math, they're asking us to write it as a unit. So let's see how we write this as a unit. Well, the way you do this is you write 33 tenths. So we're going to write the unit, which is the name of the denominator. Okay? Times 8 tenths. And let me add an n. This is a plural one. So that way you solve it in this manner. So you multiply 8 times 3 is 24. You carry 2 over. 8 times 3 equals 24 plus 3 equals 26. Now you multiply this tenths times tenths. And if you go back here, you will say that 10 times tenths equals 100. So this is going to be 100. Once you have established that the answer is 264 hundredths, then you write that as a fraction. So 264 hundredths. Now, you know this is an improper fraction again, so you're going to grab the numerator, divide it by that denominator, and then you clearly see that there are 200s inside the 264. So the answer is 2. 2 times 100 equals 200. And your remainder should be 64. So now you know that the answer for this problem is 2 and 64 hundredths. My friends, that's how you solve this. Oh, one more thing. Remember to convert this one into a decimal. So 2 and 64 hundredths. So now you have two answers that are the same, just one written as a mixed number, which is a whole number and a fraction, and a decimal mixed number, which is a whole number and a decimal. Okay, my friends, please be sure to check out my videos, review them, and get some of this work done, my friends. It's not hard, it's simple. So if you want to practice a few more problems, let me give you something to practice. These are practice problems. Practice. Well, you know what? Just complete one. Let's see if we can do something like 2.3 times 7 tenths. No, 700. Okay? Solve it. See if you learn the steps. If not, watch the video again. Your coach, Mr. Magnifico, wishes you the best in this mathematical world. Signing out.